Today we're going to work on a language mini lesson that is found in the Unit 14 of your Inside the Text book on page 250. So this language mini lesson is dealing with the four basic forms of a verb. The present and present participle tenses show something that's happening now, and the past and past participle tenses show something that happened in the past. So you can see in the chart here, present is walk, present participle is walking, past walked, and past participle is has walked or have walked. So there are 5 groups of irregular verbs that don't change to the past and past participle tenses by adding ed or d. So some of the verbs are shown in the chart below. The first one is of each of the 5 groups has been done for you. So group 1, for this part I'm going to move to the Google document so I can add to it. It looks about the same. Some of the directions are shortened a little bit here, so you might want to refer to page 250 for the full directions. So this shows something that is happening now, walk, walking, and this shows something that happened in the past, walked or have walked. The has walked or have walked depends on who it is you're talking about. She has or he has, they have. So for group 1, the forms of the present, past, and past participle are the same. So the present cut, like she cut the watermelon. The past, they cut the watermelon for the party. And past participle, she has cut the watermelon already. So for the same thing is going to go for the word hit. It would just be hit or has hit or have hit. When you move on to group 2, the past and past participle forms are the same. So buy is the present, the past is bought, and then the past participle is the same, has bought or have bought. So I am going to buy this wallet. I have already bought the wallet. She has bought the wallet, or he has bought the wallet. They have bought. But the word bought is the same whether it's has or have. So you're going to do that for catch, feel, keep, and leave. You just have to follow the pattern that's above and then think about the past participle here. Group 3, the past participle is formed by adding n or en to the past tense. So this one, you notice every single one is different. So break, I'm going to break this window. She broke her leg, and he has broken his leg in the past. You're going to do the same with choose, speak, and steal. So you might just type in here, choose, chose. That's a tricky one because one has one O and one has two O's. You just have to memorize which is which. And then you're going to add the N to the end of chose to say have chosen. We have already chosen the winner. For group 4, the past participle is formed by adding n or en to the present tense. So when you get to the past participle, you don't look at the past, you look back at the present. To change that one, I'm going to blow out the candles. He blew out his birthday candles. She has already blown out her birthday candles. Again, know, knew, and has known. So just look at the rule, look at the pattern, and follow the pattern with the 3 or 4 words below. And then finally, group 5, the last vowel changes from I to A in the past and U in the past participle. This one gets a little bit trickier, and ultimately you're just going to learn how to do it and practice it so it becomes normal, that you don't have to think about what all the rules are. They just become normal. So ring the bell, I rang the bell, she has rung the bell. Drink, drank, drunk. I know that seems funny, but it is, you're going to say that she has drunk all of her water. Swim, swam, swum, and begin, began, begun. So that one is a little bit trickier, but you can do it. So again, the PDF here shows what it looks like in the workbook, page 250. And in your Google Classroom assignment, you will see that there is a language mini lesson Google form attached that you can either fill out or you can go to your own paper workbook page, write the answers here across the line, take a picture, and upload your responses when you're done. Good luck!